In this video, I will show you step by step how to get your phone unlocked. But first, a quick disclaimer. We will not do any type of illegal unlock, and we will not use any type of hacking tool in any way. The network unlock will make your phone compatible with any SIM card. I'll show you the best and the easiest way to remotely unlock your device, meaning that everything is done over the air, no cables and no software required. Now, there are a few reasons why you would like to get your phone unlocked. It eliminates roaming costs while traveling, because with an unlocked phone you could simply purchase a local SIM card and use it for data and calls, which is way cheaper than roaming services. Additionally, the resale value increases of an unlocked phone. Having an unlocked phone is worth much more, and you could resell it to any potential buyer regardless of the service provider that they use. You can unlock your phone even if it's under an active contract with your current service provider. It is 100% legal, safe, and there is no harm to the phone. So with that said, let's begin. Step 1. We need to get the phone's IMEI number. We get it by dialing *#06#. As you will see, the IMEI number will show up in the screen. This is a 15-digit number, and we will use only the first 15 digits. This number can also be found in the box or in the settings of your device.
Step 2. Now we need to grab the computer, and we're gonna go to the following website.
In this website, we will request the unlock to unlock this phone. So simply, you have to fill in this form here about your phone's information. It's extremely important to enter the correct IMEI number. That's the number we just got, so enter it here. It should be 15 digit and it must be 100% correct. If there's a mistake here, this method will not work. And the last and final step is to write down your personal email where you're gonna receive the notification. So just write down here your personal email address, and they will email you a notification that your phone has been unlocked successfully. Once you have read everything, you will get a message or an email just like this. I will show you my email account. And as you can see here, I got this message and it confirms that the phone has been unlocked. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.